Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If this is your first time coming onto the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's content. Looking across the board as we see December 4th market prices, you guys can see we are starting to see a continuous green pattern form as this month of December has started, and a lot of analysts are coming out and saying, hey, you know what, we are about to see this entire month of December end on a positive note. Is that so? Only time is going to tell. We need to focus on the price of Bitcoin, and that's all what we're going to cover today. But more importantly, we are going to be focusing on Litecoin and seeing what's happening with the price of Litecoin and where could we be going in the immediate short term. Looking at the price of Litecoin right now, currently trading at $76.82, down 0.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down 0.9% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Litecoin's current ranking, the cryptocurrency market ranking, is at the top 13th spot with a market cap of $5.5 billion and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 325 million. If we're zooming out, look what's going on with the price of Litecoin, currently down about 81% from all-time highs. And over the last 30 days, up 23.9%. And over the last 14 days, up 20.3%. And this is something I've been covering on my channel for quite some time. Before the breakout happened, I said we are going to see a massive breakout happen for Litecoin. And that's exactly what has happened. And I believe we're going to continuously see Litecoin outperform the entire crypto market as we approach 2023. As you guys may know, if you are not aware, Litecoin halving is just 230 days away in 2023. On July 23rd of 2023 at 5:58 UTC, Litecoin halving is happening, and that is getting a lot of investors excited, and that's why Litecoin has been on an upwards trend. And this is very, very exciting. It basically makes it harder to accumulate and mine Litecoin as years go by. So very interesting year lined up for the price of LTC, and I do believe 2023 is going to be very promising for Litecoin. So now let's look at what's happening with the price of Litecoin and where we could be going in the immediate short term. The price is looking extremely bullish right now. We're still in an upward trend. Now you may be saying, why do you think the price is looking bullish when we have not even seen a breakout back into the 78.6? And that's a great question. But one thing I do want to show you guys is the historic price pattern right here. This is what has happened with the price of Litecoin. Last year we saw an all-time high of $412, but now let's go into the shorter time frame and see what exactly has happened and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As you guys can see right now on the channel, you can see we are at some price levels for the price of LTC right now that we have not seen since May. And that is something very, very nice to see. You guys can see we literally came across this level of resistance at the $85 mark roughly, and we never managed to break above here. But now let's remember, if we break out of this $85 mark, I am projecting us to retest this $96.47 range of level of resistance, which we have not been above since May 6th. And if we break out of here back into the 78.6, and then things could start looking very, very exciting for the price of Litecoin, we could possibly retest the $153 before the Litecoin halving. I still strongly believe that Litecoin has what it takes to go back into the 61.8 even, before the halving happens, because excitement keeps getting built up over time, and we could see that happening. Obviously, on the day of the halving, we could see, people sell the news. That could happen, but leading to that, I do believe Litecoin is going to outperform the entire crypto markets. And obviously, if Bitcoin continues the upwards trend and gets back into the 78.6 and most importantly above 22K mark, Litecoin is obviously going to react with the overall momentum. So we could definitely see some massive gains being made for LTC. I always like showing you guys this. Look what's going on. If you picked up some LTC around the yearly lows at that $40 mark, you're already up about 90%, and that's very nice to see, and a lot of gains made within the board in just a few months. Now, you may be saying 90% is not a lot. It's a lot in a bear market, and it's only going to get more, I believe, in my personal opinion, because the charts right now are looking extremely bullish. And let me tell you one other thing. A lot of other projects have not reclaimed the spots after the FTX collapse. And, before the FTX collapse, we were trading at that $73.38. Dropped all the way down to $48. But look at this massive bounce. Look at this massive bounce. And what does this tell us? This tells us the interest. This tells us the excitement. 61% move towards the upside. Ranking is climbing back into the top 10. And you guys can see rank is at the top 13 spot. And I do believe this is only going to continue to grow as we go into the year of 2023. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think is going to happen. What are you doing right now? Where you could see the price of LTC go in the year of 2023. Leave it down below and let me know if you guys need daily updates on the price of LTC. But right now, we do need to keep the price of BTC in close mind. Need to be above the 78.6, obviously, to be on the safe end. But in order for us to be bullish, we need to be above 22K mark. We're not anywhere near that right now, but that's something I do want to point out to you guys. That is it for today's update. Come join the Crypto ZX army. I love each and every one of you guys. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX and peace out.